Everyone, hope you're doing fine. I'm going to read you the words for phonics. That is for Tuesday. So since we're not going to see each other Monday and Tuesday, you need to do a video like we do every week. I'm going to say the words and please look at the video because some of you are not. Okay, we have three types of sounds. The sounds Y, the sound of a R, and syllables. So, Y sound. Fry, sky, yard, yell, hurry, yes, yellow, hobby, very, yo-yo. Okay, A-R-O-R sound. Star, storm, park, horse, barn, store, porch, car, cork, corn. Syllables now. Snowman, snowplow, seashore, sandwich, rainbow, donut, bird feeder, anyone, fisherman, and raisins. That's it. So please look at the video. I love you. Bye.